Thank you for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Stay tuned at the end of this video for a talk about whether Temu is right for you. A big thank you to all you who have subscribed to our channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. We're trying to reach 150 subscribers by the end of October. Only 15 more to go. Thank you so much, guys. Today we are reviewing this LEGO compatible Halloween kit that has 12 small brick kits. We're calling the Halloween 12. We put these together as a family, but admittedly we grown-ups hogged all the builds. I put together the bat, the clown from It, the scarecrow, the red demon, and the ghost. Why is it the clown from It? Because I wanted it to be. I don't know that it really looks like that. The bat went together well, and so did the clown. The scarecrow doesn't like to stand well as its base is relatively small. Also, I just didn't like the build that much as far as its look. The red demon and the ghost went together well enough, but for the clown and the red demon, the posts that went in to make the legs were ridiculously tight. The ghost is pretty bug-eyed, but it was still a fine build overall.
This is Mrs. Stallona's Reviews. These are the builds that I did in this set. I did the Dracula, the Witch, the Raven, the Frankenstein, the Spider, and the Pumpkin. Right off the bat, I have a couple of piece issues in these. Underneath, the piece that's underneath the eye of the witch, one of the eyes, is not quite formed right. So it does, you can tell it's just not right. But it does fortunately hold the eye on, and it is hidden, so it doesn't matter. A little bit more of concerning is there is a piece that is supposed to go all the way across Dracula's head underneath the hair, and it seems to have been a piece with a mispour. It didn't even make it to one square. It took me a while to realize that it was the piece that I was supposed to have because it was clearly not all there. But I was able to put it together okay. You just can sort of see there's a gap in his hair. I found the legs on Drac and Frankenstein a little bit difficult. It was easier on Frankenstein. There are these ball joints that you have to make sure you don't get too far in to the other pieces, or they don't fit into where they're supposed to click in. So on one of the pieces, I had to pull it back out and start again. And my two favorite builds out of all of these were the Spider and the Raven. The Raven's just a really cool looking build. I really enjoyed putting him together. He's a simple build to put together, but he comes out looking really neat. You just have to make sure that you get his wings in there at the right angle, or he doesn't stand properly. And the Spider, I mean, there's just nothing about, this is the first one I built, and my feeling towards it from the very beginning is this is a cool build. I love the way they do the legs. He's got all 8 legs. He's got his little feelers on the front, and he just looks like a really cool spider. Don't really have much to say about the pumpkin. It was an okay build. I like the way they do the stem on the top and the way they fit it together, but I do feel the face is a little creepy looking. So, but that's about all I have to say about the 6 things that I built for this set.
Hello, I'm Stone's Reviews Jr. and I made the werewolf. I'd say it held together fairly well, though we had to glue the feet in. But overall, it's a pretty good build. This would probably be a build for the older kids or younger kids with help.
On a Stone's Review rock scale of hardness, of 1 being easy and 10 being rock hard, we give this kit a 6, as there were a number of bricks that were very tough to put together. The instructions, for the most part, we didn't have any significant trouble with instructions, though Mrs. Stallona's Reviews did find one part difficult, adding little circular rings to the bottom of a brick to create studs on the side that otherwise didn't have any. The directions for that weren't very clear to her. You might have realized our channel doesn't typically review brand name LEGO kits, because to us that would be like reviewing whether Gordon Ramsay's cooking is any good. Of course it is. What you need to know, and the question we want to answer for you, is this brick kit a LEGO quality on the cheap experience? This kit was about halfway there to a LEGO quality kit. The builds were very exciting and very fun, but if you're doing this kit with small children, you will need to be on standby as a number of bricks go together so firmly that little hands would sometimes have trouble. Otherwise, we give this kit about a C+. As you heard from Mrs. Stone's reviews, we had 2 deformed bricks, and again, the difficulty putting some bricks together. Will you do it again? Yeah, it was still a fun Halloween set to build, and the figures they're cute, and most of them are well constructed. The kit was very inexpensive and will be used for a Halloween display that will be outside. If anyone walks off with these, we won't be too worried about it. It should be fine. Please like and subscribe to see our latest videos. I hope this review helped you decide if you wanted to make your own Halloween 12. If you're in a position to support us on Patreon, please click the link in the description. We have a camera that needs to be replaced for $3 a month. You get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 helps you decide what to love making next. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.